All right, so a continuation from that is how do you organize it into the worksheet? Again, you should have this right here in the course, or if you have the book, there's some more things. Again, not fancy at all. I literally took a notebook at first and was just writing everything down. I was like, oh, I didn't know that credit card had a APR of that. Like, I didn't know what I was being charged when I was swiping these credit cards. I'm not thinking about it. I'm just swiping my credit card. I'm out having fun. I'm out getting new clothes and things like that. But it is very important to just write them down. And I was able to see, and you're going to be able to see, like, okay, this is how much I have. This is the minimum payment. This is like what I'm getting charged. 21% interest, 28% interest, 14% interest, and so you can really see just how expensive it is. When you're holding your money or holding these high balances, excuse me, on your credit, on these credit cards and so forth and so forth. This also helped me, if you can see one column called priority. This is a part of my debt-free journey where I was like, okay, I'm gonna pay this one off first. So I'll put number one, and this one off secondly and third, and so forth and so forth. So that's what that's for. You can use it for that. I encourage you to, or you can use it for whatever, again, you will like, you want to do with that. Okay. Also write down the due dates. It's going to be very important to when you're budgeting and you like, hey, maybe in the beginning of the month, I don't have a lot of money because there's rent and things of that for. So I want to move some of my credit card payments or student loan payment on the other side of the month. That is if you get paid twice a month, like most people do in a traditional job here. So yeah, so check this out. Very simple, but just very mindful. It's sometimes brutal to do this, but it's so important. Bye, bye, bye.